Welcome back. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. It's been 4 weeks since we got the blue worms and the Louisiana Swamp Worms from Karen at the Kine Garden Stuff, and just over 2 weeks since we got the blue worms from Gaylynn. Let's take a look. Alright, let's start off with the blue worms from Gaylynn. I did feed some pumpkin. It's been about 50 hours now, just over 2 days. Got a few pumpkins, got a few on the outside. Let's see what it looks like underneath. Oh yeah, they're loving on that pumpkin. There they go, taking off. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's a little bit of that banana left. One in it. They don't like to see the light, so they are hauling out of here. There's a little bitty one. So they are definitely loving up on that pumpkin. I'll go ahead and put it right side up. Cover it back up. They're doing good. Here's the blues we got from Karen, the Kine Garden Stuff. Did put some pumpkin in here as well. Looks like, oh, there we go. They're on this little piece. So they're loving up on the pumpkin as well. I got a lot of pumpkin, so they will have some pumpkin treats for a while to come. Last year I only got one. This year I made a Facebook post and said, hey, anybody local to me wants to get rid of their pumpkins, let me know. And I've almost got a deep freeze full. Been cutting them up in small pieces, big enough to feed, to help save some room. They look like they're doing good. Take a look in on the Louisiana Swamp Worms. Same thing here. Looks like they got the top of the pumpkin. It's got a little handle. Oh yeah. Looks like they like the pumpkin as well. Yep. All gathered up. Supper time. Oh yeah, they're doing good. Oh, there's a cocoon right there on the end of my thumb. Oh, there's another one right there. Not as easy to see. You might be able to see it on camera. Right there. So, I've heard the blue worms cocoons were hard to see. I have not seen one yet. Haven't looked real hard, but the reds are pretty easy to see along with the Euros. Looks like they're all doing good. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.